Oh my god, there's lots of snow! I fucking hate snow. Let's look for here. Snow! Snow! Oh my god, snow! When will it end? When will it end? Oh, when will it be spring again? I just woke up, so don't mind the messy hair. But it's 3 days later, and as if the first foot of snow wasn't enough, it has snowed once again. Probably another, it's not exactly a foot, but it's still snowing, and they have called for 18 to 20 inches. Seriously? Fuck my life, man. I hate the snow so much. How about tree? The tree's kind of pretty. That's about it. Yeah. Now, the only thing is, there's fucking snow on the ground right here, which means somebody was in the house. I don't know who was in the house now. Maybe it was my dad. Oh, wait, never mind. Look how much snow piled up on the fucking trash can. That's a good foot. My car is, like, completely fucking buried once again. You can't even really see it. It blends in with the fucking snow. Oh, this is great. Just fucking great. Oh, it's cold out here. I am about to venture out in this shit because if I don't right now, I just might get snowed in because the snow is actually just coming up and up further and further in front of the door, and it's getting a little hard for me to open the door. So I'm gonna go out there and remove what I can.
Killer. Top hats up to the return of the beat to lick O2. Curse the stuff and bless for a few. It doesn't have to make any sense at all. Come hither and we'll fall. For a hard killer, paint all your sorrow for me to sing. Hard killer, draw your pain and hear me humming out.
Look at my trash can now. Early poop. It's going up over the fucking porch. Oh man.